Unfortunately, I've read a lot of information and reviews about premature ejaculation over the internet. You may be wasting precious money on useless supplements and shiny gimmicks, but ejaculation on command is all the rage right now. Even after reading numerous reviews from various sites, I still have some concerns about this program. Most of the time people don't use the program themselves or read a few chapters of the program to complete their opinion, so they omit important information about the program. After reading and testing this product myself, I think I can answer your question about this program. This review covers as much information as possible. We will start our review by sharing more information about this program, then share its strengths and weaknesses, and finally end our review by sharing a free report. If, even after reading this review, you feel that I have omitted some information, please use the contact form to let me know. Okay, I'll go straight to the point and start my review. Want to stay in bed longer than 20 minutes? If you answered yes to one or more of these questions, continue reading this review. This review explains how ejaculation on command works. It's a collection of step-by-step, effective techniques that will keep you in bed longer and bring you joy. Your girl never thought possible. The techniques described in this program by Lloyd Lester, the author of this program, retrain your brain and remove the fear that you can last much longer. The techniques described in this program have been thoroughly tested by Lloyd himself, and I have started using these techniques and staying in bed for over 20 minutes. So I can say that these techniques are working. Even my girl is shocked when it starts lasting about 5 to 15 minutes non-stop. Here's just a list of what you've learned in this program. 9 specific techniques to rewire your mind and remove all fears of ejaculation from your mind. A secret technique that controls your awakening on a large scale and climax your woman over and over again. 4 powerful techniques that teach you how to control your breathing and add it over and over again, up to 5 minutes before ejaculation. A hot button technique that enhances stamina and makes girls last longer with the power of Superman. Arning. You don't have to build confidence in this special girl. A drive heg wild technique that drives her wild in bed and allows you to enter the world of joy in her orgasm. Is just a partial list of the techniques you will learn in this program. It is not possible to write all the techniques you want to learn in the program, so we recommend downloading this program for a complete list of techniques. Lloyd Lester is a man who has helped many men overcome premature ejaculation and regain confidence in their sex life. He is the author of many best-selling sex guides, including Erection by Command and Ignite Her Orgasm. His program, Orgasm by Command, is a best-selling program that teaches men how to give a girlfriend, wife, or special woman an orgasm. Lloyd Lester is very experienced in treating male sexual problems such as premature ejaculation, and his techniques include Dan Barrich, founder of Dan and Jennifer Media, Michael Webb, related experts and author, endorsed by AR figures such as Shauna Recommended Lenny, owner of 2 Girl Teach Sex, and many others. Istic treatment in His program, Lloyd teaches you how to increase your sexual activity time without the use of additives or shiny gimmicks. Proven techniques. His program is based on proven and effective techniques that have also been tested by Lloyd himself. In addition, more than 5,000 people, including myself, have used these techniques and found effective results. Backed by valid research. Another very important advantage of this program is that Lloyd created it based on valid research. This program is not based on breakthrough resources or is from another planet. Instead, these techniques are used by many pornographic male actors to control their ejaculation as long as they wish. Money-back guarantee. All digital ClickBank programs come with a 60-day money-back guarantee, but Lloyd goes one step further and offers this program for free if someone finds it useless after 60 days. When you purchase this program, your credit card statement will show CLKBANK*com. This means that no one knows what you bought and your information will not be shared with others. Overwhelming Information. For someone like me who just wants to learn one technique, the information in this program is overwhelming. Practical techniques. This technique is only for men who are serious about their condition and want to end their premature problems forever. These techniques only work if they are actually applied. To be honest, if I weren't Lloyd, I'm selling each bonus separately instead of money because of the quality information in these guides. Each guide contains the highest quality information and information that this program is not available elsewhere. Here is a list of the bonuses you will receive for free. The Secret of G-Spot Orgasm reports how much it costs and how much you can get all your ejaculations for free with a command module and a free bonus for just $49. It's risk-free and comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. When it comes to helping people with sexual problems, Lloyd is always one step ahead in helping people. That's why he offers free reports. After all, I would like to say that Command Ejaculation is the only truly practical program that helps fight premature ejaculation and stay in bed longer. If you want to be a great lover for your wife and give her the joy of her life, I don't hesitate to recommend this program to you.